What's up? It's your boy, K Lamont. Hey, I am excited to announce and invite you to our new YouTube channel, TechaMinute, where we break down AI so you can build up your portfolio. Hey, let's face it, folks, AI is everywhere, but finding out how to actually use it to make money or save time, that's where most people get stuck. Whether you're an entrepreneur wanting to scale, a professional looking to level up, or just curious about what AI can do for you, we've got you covered in just a few Minutes. Each week, my co-host Agnes and I will bring you AI tools and trends, real-world use cases, the latest AI news you can use, and quick AI life hacks you can implement immediately. So do me a favor and obliterate that like button. Smash and subscribe. It'll only take a minute. I'm your boy, K Lamont. Let's get it. Let's go.